Hey YouTube, it's Let's Try and See with Dina B. I'm trying to change my name over. What do y'all think? Let's Try and See with Dina B. Sounds alright, right? Alright. Well, what I'm gonna do today, if you're wondering why I look kind of not made up or nothing, I'm going to attempt to show you how I blend my natural hair with my Mongolian kinky curly hair. Okay, so these are the clip-ins. This was the extra hair that was left over. All I did was double wefted them and sewed them over, and then I created the little snappy clips that go in. Now it looks shorter because this is a frontal kind of area that I wanted the clips for, so I kind of trimmed them to shape my face. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how to actually create clip-ins, I'll be happy to show you. Just tell me in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to show you how to create clip-ins. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I am separating my curls, going over the two braids that I have there. I'm separating them and I'm going to take those braids down. And as you can see, I am speeding through taking them down because I figure you don't need to see all that. Everybody knows how to take braids down, right? So yeah, taking these braids down. And as you can see, my hair is, you know, natural for the most part, and I'm separating it from the weave. Okay, so I'm also going to take this spray bottle, and I'm basically spraying mostly water. It might be a like tad bit of conditioner left in there, but I'm basically wetting my natural hair up so that it can receive some of the oils that I'm about to put in it. Motions Nourish and Care Stimulating Scalp Balm. So here we go. I'm going to take a dollop of hair grease and basically rub it on everything that's going to be pulling, or that is pulling. So I'll take my little edges and everywhere there's a part, basically. Now I've had this hair sewn in for a couple weeks now, maybe 2-3 weeks, and it's, you know, hanging in there. I don't really have any complaints at this moment. So I'm going to do my edges, and like I said before, I have very thin hair, so yeah, it's thin. The next thing I'm going to do is use the Motions Enhance and Define Versatile Texture Defining Cream. And what it is, it's very thick. I'm hoping that you can see it. And I'm going to put this in the same exact places that I had the other grease. So it's just basically double moisturizing. I have very, very dry hair, and dry hair, unfortunately, is easy to break. So, yeah. And then I also take it in my hand and then put it on the actual natural hair. Okay, so I'm gonna just take my hairbrush, any basic brush, and I'm gonna just basically brush the oils through my hair, front and back, so that I can start getting it ready to flat twist. Okay, so I've made the decision that my flat twists are, 2 of them are gonna go this way, and 2 are gonna go this way. So I'm gonna take my little clip here, and I'm gonna clip the hair out of the way. Then I'm going to part it, and it doesn't have to be a perfect part or anything like that. Don't worry about parts. don't worry about parts here at this channel. But yeah, we're gonna just part it down the middle. Take another clip and clip that forward so that it's out the way. Okay, so we got that. And then we're gonna go ahead and flat twist. Maybe I'll clip this one out the way too, so it's out of the, it's not in my way. Okay, so we're gonna flat twist this down. Okay, now describe a flat twist. I have no idea, so I'm just gonna get close up. Hopefully you can see it, and I'm going to twist it. And basically, as I twist, I grab a new piece in front and just move down. But you're gonna say, dang, Dina, that is a lot of oil and a lot of moisturizer. But it is, but by the time I'm even done with my second twist on the other side of my head, it'll be used up. Like, that's how dry my hair is. It just is so dry. It's like a Sahara. But yeah, y'all see that shrinkage? Seen this? Yeah. See shrinkage? Yeah. Shrinkage is real. Shrinkage matters. Okay, so yeah, that's my first flat twist, and then I'm going to do the next one. So, as you guessed, I just sped up the video of me actually flat twisting the rest of the hair. So, listen to this beautiful music while you watch me flat twist. Okay, so now I'm done with my flat twist, and it's just time to wait. Okay, so here I am, I'm back, and as you can see, my little flat twists are now dry. So we come to the nitty-gritty. Okay, so here are my clip-ins that I created, and if you would like to see a video on how I did my clip-ins, please let me know in the comments below, and I will be happy to show a video on how to create that. So, how I like my hair in the front is to be like very as natural as possible. So what I like to do is, the first thing is pull it back in a ponytail. Like so. So that only the left out hair is showing. Here we go. Got a mirror here. And as you can see, this is like, you know, the part that we're trying to cover up the most, okay? But because the hair is curly and because it's so full, you have a lot of wiggle room to hide. So even if you're not the best sewer or person to do sew-ins, like myself, I'm not the best. I do sew-ins on other people much better. But, you know, you can still work with it. So one of the things I like to do is to put my clip-ins forward facing. So I would clip it here and clip it here so that it's facing down like this. See? This part will be adjusted, okay? So I clip that in, And I'll take a little bobby pin or something to just hold that out of my way. And then I go ahead and I take my first row down, my first row of flat twist down. Okay, so I just sped up the part of me taking the hair down because I didn't want to waste a lot of time of me just undoing the twist. So, yep, that's what we're doing right here. Undoing the twist. See? And it basically looks just like the same texture, only shorter. Okay? So I'm gonna take this one out too. It's our you know what we're doing. We are speeding up the parts you don't need to see. Yep. We're gonna take our other clip in, see the clip, and we're gonna clip it forward again, but strategically in a different spot. So we're gonna put it on the side here. We're gonna take this one, we're gonna put that one on the side also. Now, it's gonna take some adjusting to get it to lay exactly where you want it to lay. But that's the beauty of a clip-in, because you can move it around. So I am lifting the clip-ins up again and pulling them back to clip them in place so that they're out of the way. And then we're gonna undo, oh, that one didn't work. Just put it behind your ear. And then we're gonna undo. Okay, so my clip-ins are not cooperating right at the moment, so I took them back out. But I am still undoing my other flat twist. And like I said, my hair is not a perfect match to this texture, but once you add the twist in, it's a pretty decent match. So, the next thing you want to do is, like I said, you have to maneuver your clip-ins. Sometimes clipping in one way won't work, so you put them in another way, just to make it work. Work, 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 work. Okay. So now we got our clip-ins in. So now what you're gonna do to your actual ISEE hair, you're gonna wet it up. You're gonna take, this is mostly water. It used to have some conditioner in it, but I'm pretty sure by now it's no conditioner in it. And we're going to spray the actual hair so we can zhuzh it up a little. Because this hair likes moisture, and it likes to get wet. So once it gets wet, it comes to life. And then if you need any more help getting it bigger, you can just take your dimming brush and you can fluff it out a little bit. like I said earlier, my hair's been in the ponytail for like 4 days because I was in the hospital. And it doesn't take much. All it takes is a little bit of water. To bring your curls back to life. And then as far as like your natural hair goes, all you really have to do is a flat twist. Our hair, I think I'm like 4B or 4C or 4A. I'm in the 4 group, I don't know for sure exactly. But all you have to do is moisturize, do some flat twists, be patient. You don't necessarily have to blow dry it or anything like that. And there you go. And my hair looks good, you know? So yeah. Let me turn it around. See? Here we go. Okay guys, so that is how I basically blend my natural hair with my ISEE Mongolian kinky curly hair. And if you want to see me blow dry this hair straight, don't forget to hit me in the comments and let me know. I'm not a mind reader. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you.